Welcome to Dashcam Info. My name is Dirk and today we're looking at the AZDOME GS63Hpro. And as you can imagine, since I'm testing a lot of different dashcams, it doesn't happen quite often that I'm excited about one. This time I truly was already when I started unboxing. This is a 4K dual channel dashcam, recording front in 4K, rear in 1080p. As you can see, I already installed it in the car. I do love the fact that we have actual physical buttons here, allowing us to operate the dashcam and going through the entire menu. I'll show you the unboxing, the installation, we're taking a look at the app, and of course I will show you footage by day and also by night. The first pleasant surprise when opening the box was that we get the option to mount the front camera also with a suction cup. We get our rear camera on a really nice long cable, and here's the second option to mount our front cam, that is with an adhesive mount. Here's the AZDOME power adapter, hooks and tools for cable management, and this is the USB to USB-C power cable. We get a manual and an adhesive film for our rear camera. Now it's time to let the cat out of the bag. Never mind, the cat will come later. It is so nice that we get real physical buttons. We do have a menu button, an up arrow, an emergency button, a down arrow and an OK button to confirm our selection. On the right side we have the USB-C port to power the camera. On the left side is our power button, and above it is the slot for the microSD card, and a 64 GB microSD card is already included. The port for the rear camera is on top. The installation of the rear view camera is a piece of cake. You simply peel off the protection film over your 3M tape and press the camera against your rear window, and then you rotate it to get the right angle. And if you don't get it right the first time, you can simply readjust the camera later on by turning it up or down. And if the picture is flipped upside down, you can simply flip it back in the menu. For the front camera installation I picked the suction cup, but before installing I wanted to connect all the cables. I started with the rear camera cable that goes on top, and then the power cable on the side. All it took now was to press the suction cup against my windshield and secure it with a clockwise twist. The next step is to adjust the angle of the camera. And now it was time to take the cables out of the way, but as you know me, cable management is not a part of this video, because every car is different and you really don't need me to tell you how to push a cable behind some trim. When we're powering on the dashcam for the very first time, we hear a welcoming sound and we're prompted to format our microSD card.
Video mode. Please format the memory card before first time use. Format successful.
Next we have to set the time and date, and I will not make you go through all the steps, so here is the end result. As you can see, my rear view was upside down, so I wanted to go in the menu and change this.
Recording stopped. Video settings.
Using the up and down arrows is easy to browse through the menu. You confirm your selection with the OK button, and if you want to go back, you simply press the menu button. And here I'm rotating the rear video. If you want to use the mobile app, you have to turn on the Wi-Fi in the menu.
Settings. Video mode.
After turning on the Wi-Fi on your dashcam, you go on your phone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi and connect it to the GS63Hpro network. The top secret passcode to enter this network is 12345678. Once you're connected to the network, you open the AZDOME app, and if you don't have it already, you can simply scan the QR code in the manual and download it. Using the app for the first time, it will ask you if you want to connect your camera and if you want to use this network, but once you have confirmed everything, you can actually use it. If you want to go into the settings, you have to stop the recording first, and then tap the gear wheel top right in order to access your settings. The entire menu is self-explaining and everything is very easy to change. Just browse through it and tap on whatever you want to access. You can access your footage on the spot when you click on Dashcam Album. Here you can view or download all the footage. And now it's time for me to show you some footage by day. Front 4K, rear 1080p. And here is footage by night, again front in 4K and rear 1080p. What are your thoughts on the AZDOME GS63Hpro? Is this a dashcam you like? I'm happy to answer all your questions. If you want to know how to install things, how to get things running, if you have questions about the app, more than happy to respond. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, a free way to support my channel would be to leave a like. And if you like my channel overall, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.